How y'all doing out there? How y'all doing? This is Guitar Guy, okay? People call me Steve. Yeah, that's right. That's right. My name's Steve Guy. Kind of rhymes with that other popular guitar player. You know who I'm talking about, that other guy that rhymes with Guy. My name's Steve. Did I say that? Did I say Steve? Let me tell you, you're going to learn that. That's what you're going to learn. Did you see that right there? Did you just see that? Did you just see what I just did? Let me show you what else I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and do this. Okay? Now, I just turned that knob right there. Now, watch this. Okay? Now, watch what happens. Did you hear that? Did you see what you just learned something. You just learned how to change the tone on your little rolling micro amp. That's right, there you go, right there. The biggest, baddest boy that you'll ever play out of right there. Did you hear that? Did you see that? Did you hear it? Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm not gonna show you the amplifier no more, because that's a specialty item. Okay, it's a specialty item to do this. Did you see that? Did you just watch that? That's what you're going to learn. That's the stuff that I'm going to show you, Steve Guy, on my, get ready now, sit down, on my Patreon account. That's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, I snuck that in as a specialty item just for you to do, but being the guy that I am, Steve Guy, I rhyme with that other guy named Steve. I'm going to open a specialty account on Patreon. Here, let me do this real quick. I'm going to reach behind me. I don't want to show you the amp anymore because that's a Patreon thing now. We're going to go ahead and change the tone bit, but watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to unplug that guitar. I'm going to set it right here in front of me. I love that guitar. I shouldn't have showed you that. You know why? That should have been on Patreon. But I'm giving you just a little example of what kind of specialty stuff you're going to learn if you join my Patreon account. Now, in the description below is my PayPal account, and I'd appreciate it if everybody could donate at least $100, $200, $300, $400 to my PayPal account, because I'm giving you specialty stuff that only I can show you. Hold on a minute. Watch what I'm going to do now. Here's something else we're going to learn. We're going to go ahead and get another guitar out, and we're going to plug that guitar in. Did you see how I did that? Did you see that? I wasn't supposed to show you that. I don't think you saw me plug it in, did you? I kind of hid that down there. Now, we're in another specialty tuning here, but I don't want to tell you what the tuning is because that's only for my Patreon followers. Okay? And if you're, here we go, let's do that. I didn't want to show you that, but I'm going to show you on Patreon. So let's go ahead and do this now. Let's go ahead and see if you can figure out what tuning I'm in. And if you are, I'm going to give you a 50-cent discount on my Patreon account. Hold on a minute. This is out of tune. This isn't in the tuning that I thought it was in. See how specialty that is? We're in a totally different ball game of tunings going on over here. That's what you're going to learn, but I'm going to show you how to do it the proper way. I'm going to show you kind of like, let me give you a little test. I'm going to show you how to do it like this. So you're going to be able to see this hand here do what I'm doing. And then when we're going to go ahead and move the camera, because I'm going to give you a double whammy, and I'm going to show you how to do this with your thumb, see? Did you see that? Did you see that specialty thumb? I don't want to show that to you right here because you got to join my Patreon. Now, how much is Patreon? You're asking Steve Guy. You're asking me, Steve Guy. How much is Patreon? I'm the guy that rhymes with the other guy named Steve. Steve Guy, Steve V. Starts with a V. Figure it out. I'm as good as he is. Do you see that? Can you see my fingers moving so fast? You can't even see it. It's like lightning. It's like lightning on a stick is what it is. Did you hear that? I just did an octave at the end. I did it. Did you see that right there? I'm going to show you. That's going to be a specialty lesson on how to do just what I did if you join Patreon. How much is that Patreon? You're asking Steve Guy. How much? Let me tell you how much that Patreon is. I'm going to give you a little hint. But you got to go to my Patreon account to really find out. Okay, because this is a monthly deal, see? I'm already making money on YouTube. I'm making a shitload of money on YouTube. I'm making so much money that I got to bury the shit so the IRS can't find it. That's how much money I'm making on you. But that's not enough for me. My name's Steve Guy. I'm a guitar player. That's a jazz chord right there. I'm going to show you how to play that jazz chord. It's a finger stretch chord, though. You got to really have big, giant hands, okay, that you can... Do you see there? Okay? But, I'm not making enough money on YouTube, so what I got to do... Below, did I tell you about my PayPal account? Give me about $400. Give me $400 of your hard-earned money, because I need it. I'm a multi-billionaire. I made all my money playing the guitar, but I'm not making enough money because I want you to give me your money because I'm greedy. I'm a greedy guy. My name's Steve Guy, by the way. Okay, let me show you this real quick, and then we're going to get to I just show you how to do that. I wasn't supposed to do that. Hang on 1 second, guys. Hang on. Okay, let's get the number one out right here, and let's see what that baby does. That's my number one. I'm going to show you that chord. That's a chord that you're going to... And I'm going to show you this chord right here, but I'm going to show you how to make this chord, and I'm going to show you how to do about 10 or 15, 17 different things with that one chord. But you got to join my Patreon account. Because I'm going to put 2 videos up a month. Okay, but you got to pay me monthly because I need the money. I'm rich. I'm a rich, filthy guy. My name's Steve Guy. I'm slobbered all over myself. I'm sorry. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that. I'm going to show you that. Let me get back here. I don't want to show you that amp. Let me do that. Did you hear that? I'm going to show you how to do that like a rock star. Just like that. Bam, bitch. Bam, bam, bam. I'm going to show you how to do it like maybe 5 or 6 times in a row. And I'm going to show you that special strum that you got to have. If you don't do the special strum, then you're not going to be able to do it. Yeah. Now, let's get back to that Patreon account there. Patreon account, it's only going to be about, let's see here. I'm thinking of making it probably $173.50 per person a month. Because I don't really know, I don't really need the money, but I want the money because I'm greedy. I'm making tons of cash on YouTube right now. Steve Guy right here, the guitar player. I'm going to show you that on Patreon. $173.50 a month. Down in the description below, you get 2 videos that aren't going to even think could possibly be. It's not going to be nothing like YouTube. It's totally obscure and viciously Steve Guy style. In your face is what it is. Did you hear that? Do you want to learn that? Get down there in that description and join my Patreon account, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Let me show you one more time real quick. Oh my God. Woo, baby. Woo, baby. Easy, horsey. Easy, horsey. Easy, horsey. My horsey kind of got away on me. I'm sorry. But when you learn how to play that, you start doing that type of stuff. But I'm not showing you that over here. I'm going to show you that on my Patreon account below. I don't need the money because I'm making millions of dollars on eBay. I am making money on eBay. Okay, this camera gave out on me. That's why I need Patreon money so I can buy me a camera. Even though I got like a $12,000 camera, it's not good enough. I'm going to show you that on Patreon, but I'm running out of things to talk about, and I'm really showing you a lot of secret stuff over here. Steve Guy, right here. I'm filthy rich. I'm a billionaire guitar player, and I want your money. And you're going to give me your money because you're stupid. And you're going to get on that Patreon account in the description. And you're going to join my Patreon account for $173.50 a month because you're stupid ass. And on my PayPal account, I want you to send me not just $100, not $200. I want you to send me $500. 5 big ones for Big Steve Guy. Did you see that right there? That's the opening to a song called Bad Kitty Cat. That was the ending right there. I didn't show you the middle. You're going to learn that on Patreon. I got to go, Steve Guy. I'm making so much money, it's filthy stupid to even tell you. Because you're a dumbass and you're sitting on your ass at home not making nothing and paying me to do this stupid stuff. Sorry, I was going to show you how to do that, but I don't want to on here. Do you hear the difference? Don't look. Do you hear it? Can you hear it? Do you hear it? Okay, I gotta go. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get more money from you and squeeze you like a lemon and throw you in the trash. Let me change that, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the ending song with just something nice and sweet and lovely called Stick It in Your Ass and Screw You So Hard that I get all your money on Patreon and PayPal and take your money because you're a dumbass. That's the name of the song. Here we go. Steal your money. Take your money. Don't stick it in your ass. I'm sorry, my name's Steve Guy. I don't sing. I don't do nothing, I just play the guitar, and you pay me to do that. So if you hear me sing, that's a special thing, and only you can see that on Patreon. Steal your money, take your money, and stick it in your ass. Goo, goo, goo. Wow, there you go. Take it easy. I'm going to be watching that Patreon account, and I'm going to laugh at you when you give me that $173.50 a month. I need it. You don't. You don't need that money. What you need is for me, Steve Guy, to get on here and show you a video like that you got to pay for. You stupid ass bastard. Oh, God. Oh, yeah, baby. Do it. It's done. Oh, so sweet and lovely it is. Patreon below, PayPal below. Give me your money. I want your money. I need your money. I'm filthy rich and I want your money. I want more. Steve Guy. Rhymes with that other name, that stupid ass guitar player. What's your name? Steve V. Starts with a V. Gotta go, people. We'll see you later on Patreon to learn all the specialty stuff that I'm going to show you that you don't see here. Goodbye.